Everyone, my name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us, thank you so much for choosing to stop by. If you're visiting us again, thank you so much for coming back. Your girl really does appreciate it. Now, either way, if you are currently not subscribed to Seasoned Beauties, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We would love to have you. And there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, while you're in that general vicinity, go ahead and hit the notification bell. Become a part of the notification squad. All that means is that you're going to be the first to know each and every time a new video is uploaded. Now, the reason for this video on today is we will be unboxing our IPSY GLAMBAG Plus. Okay, now this is the March 2019 box, and for those of you who are not familiar with IPSY GLAMBAG Plus, this is the upgraded version, and it is $25 per month, and you receive 5 full-size products, of which you're just bound to enjoy. So let's see how much we will enjoy the products that are in this month's box. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. Now, the first thing that you see when you open up the box, and I absolutely love this statement. It says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. Like you. Okay, now enclosed is, of course, our description pamphlet, which lets us know what each and every item is and what the manufacturer's suggested retail price is. Now, it says your GLAMBAG Plus to-do list. As a GLAMBAG Plus member, you get some extra special perks. Number 1, meet your new sidekicks. Number 2, show us your stuff. Number 3, let's talk. Number 4 is score some extras, which of course you do get cash back. Just saying, just saying. Always looking for that really good deal. The first product in our description book is the Huda palette. Okay. Now, it's a small palette, but you know, my mom had this saying, good things come in small packages. This one is called the Smoky Obsessions. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $27. And here are these beautiful colors. Of course, it does have a mirror. And here we go. Look at those. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. There's some satins in there. There are some glitters in there. And some mattes, including, look at this. Okay, that's going to be the one that we swatched. That is a serious matte black. This is no joke. And here are our swatches. Look at that black. That is amazing. That is absolutely amazing. Now, I will tell you, it is just a little chalky, but we can work with that. And item number 2 is the IPSY by Petra mascara. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $18. Now, this particular mascara, can you see that okay? There we go. Okay, this one is a little different. It says, when one mascara wand won't do the job, reach for a tube that houses 2 of them. Okay, and this dual chamber mascara hides a larger wand for volume and a finer precision wand to reach all those microscopic lashes. Together, the brushes create volume, length, and curl for an eye-opening effect that practically fakes the look of falsies. Normally, I don't, open them up unless I'm absolutely ready to use them because, the shelf life. But I don't have a tiny wand like that for those bottom lashes. So this one I will be using along with the others that I already have open. Okay, so that's the first wand, and here's the second one. That is item number 2. Item number 3 is Benefit Cosmetics Sunbeam Golden Bronze Complexion Highlighter. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $26, and it looks like this. That's a small bottle. I didn't expect the bottle to be that small, but so it is, so it is. And check that out. It comes with a brush. So I'm just going to put a little bit on right here. So you can just brush it on and let it do what it does. Now I'm going to put it right here next to the black. Look at that glow right there. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And it says, we like the beach, but it's really only because we love the glow the sun leaves on our cheeks. This golden shade warms up all skin tones like a bronzer and reflects light like a highlighter in a natural looking way. Item number 3 is Pearlies. This is the packaging. And this is the actual product. And once again, these are full-size products, okay? This one, the manufacturer suggested retail price is $45. And it's the Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. And this is finding the perfect daily moisturizer is no easy feat. But finding one that keeps your skin hydrated without feeling greasy is like finding a unicorn. Okay. Fortunately, we know just where to look. This fast absorbing formula glides on like a gel and moisturizes like a cream. Okay, the last product that we have is a set of brushes. Now these brushes do come in a package like this. The manufacturer suggested retail price on these $50. It's a 5-piece set. Let's check it out. Okay, I think these are kind of travel friendly brushes because they are not quite as large. So here's the 5-piece set. They are extremely soft, and we'll check it out and make sure they get the job done. We'll do that in our next video. When we try out these products here, I will make it a point to use these brushes to work out our eye look. Call us high maintenance, but it's not enough for our makeup brushes to help our favorite products go on flawlessly. They should also look pretty on our vanity when we're not using them. This metallic brush set looks super luxe, and the 100% vegan brushes make application a breeze. So these are the 5 brushes that come in the Eye Perfection set, and we will be giving these a try the next go round. So these are the products that have come in our IPSY GLAMBAG Plus for the month of March 2019. Thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me on today. Remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.